Best foods for your eye health. Countless research and clinical trials confirm that a healthy lifestyle that includes a healthy diet, exercise, and no smoking is the key to reducing the risk of many diseases affecting different organs of your body. A diet that can keep you healthy will also keep your eyes healthy and improve your chances of enjoying high-quality vision. Let's discuss the best foods for eye health. Some nutrients are essential to keep the eye healthy overall, and others have an important role in reducing the risk or progression of some eye diseases. 1. Seafood. This includes certain types of fish such as salmon, tuna, sardines, halibut, and trout are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can benefit people who suffer from dry eyes. Our eyes need a healthy coating of tears for lubricating the eye surface. Without this lubrication, our eyes become red, scratchy, and irritable, resulting to dry eyes. Their omega-3 fatty acids content seems to help with dry eye as they decrease inflammation and improve the function of the eye's meibomian glands. 2. Nuts. Almonds, pistachios, and walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, making them highly beneficial for good eye health. 3. Food rich in zinc. These foods include legumes like chickpeas, lentils, and all kinds of beans, oysters, lean red meat, poultry, and fortified cereals. The mineral zinc helps keep the retina healthy and may protect your eyes from the damaging effects of light. Zinc plays a vital role in vitamin A metabolism and melanin production. Melanin is a protective pigment in the eyes. 4. Food rich in vitamin E. Vitamin E is another important antioxidant that helps protect your eyes against damaging free radicals. You can find vitamin E in avocados, almonds, and sunflower seeds. 5. Leafy green vegetables. These include broccoli, kale, spinach, cabbage, and collard greens. Lutein and zeaxanthin are antioxidants in the pigments of leafy green vegetables and other brightly colored foods. Antioxidants act as scavengers for free radicals and are found to have the potential to stave off age-related macular degeneration. 6. Bell peppers. They are a great addition to your diet. They are rich in many vitamins and antioxidants, especially vitamin C and various carotenoids, which are important for your eye health. 7. Vitamin C fruits. Examples of these fruits include citrus fruits such as oranges, tangerines, grapefruit, and lemons. Tomatoes, peaches, and strawberries are also good sources of vitamin C. They are very rich in vitamin C, which is critical to all body organs, including your eyes. As an antioxidant, vitamin C helps protect the body from damage caused by many things such as unhealthy food, smoking, and environmental factors. 8. Eggs. Egg yolk is also a good source of the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin. They serve a vital role in protecting the macula, the area of the back of the eye that gives us our central, detailed, and sharp vision. 9. Blueberries. Dietary intake of foods rich in anthocyanins such as blueberries is increasingly beneficial for human eye health. They support healthy eye function through their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and collagen-stabilizing properties. Therefore, eating blueberries regularly can improve vision and strengthen blood vessels in the back of the eyes. 10. Beta-carotene and vitamin A foods. Examples of these foods include carrots, sweet potatoes, and fruits such as cantaloupe and apricots. Beta-carotene serves as a precursor to vitamin A as well as an important antioxidant in the eye. Its derivatives are crucial in the photochemical reactions that occur in the retina after being stimulated by light. These reactions lead to specific signals that are transferred to the brain for interpretation as images. Therefore, vitamin A is crucial for both night and color vision. Remember that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, beans, and fish is important for enjoying a high-quality vision for the maximum period. It is important to note that all nutrients we mentioned above and vitamins are available in enough amounts in any balanced diet. Excessive consumption of any of these foods might be very harmful to your general health and will not add any benefit to your eye health. I wish you the best of health. Remember to subscribe and share so that we can spread love and care. Thanks for watching.